Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by enabling numlock so the numeric keypad sends digits, not navigation. Press numlock, confirm the LED lights. If you use a laptop, hold FN plus num LK to toggle the embedded keys. This maps 7, 8, 9 to home, up, page up when off. Once done, make sure your operating system layout matches the physical keys, because mismatched layouts yield wrong symbols. This step prevents accidental arrows or special characters and creates a reliable baseline for the next actions. Next, learn modifier keys so you get symbols and special characters. Hold Shift to access the top row symbols, Shift plus 4 types $. Use Alt-GR, right Alt for localized characters like @ or euros on many layouts. This avoids switching layouts. Once done, practice Alt plus numpad sequences for ASCII or Unicode input on Windows. Press and hold Alt, type the code, release. Make sure to learn common control combos that interact with numbers in apps, because mastering modifiers speeds up typing and reduces errors. Finally, customize your keyboard for efficiency and verify everything works. You can remap keys using built-in settings or apps like Sharp Keys or Carabiner to make a dedicated numeric layout. This streamlines data entry. Once done, test in a plain text editor. Type numbers, shifted symbols, and numpad math operations. If something goes wrong, no numbers or wrong symbols, check numlock state, update, or reinstall keyboard drivers, and inspect for stuck keys. These fixes resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.